I am in good health and rarely sick. I cannot become resistant to antibiotics.
False. Bacteria become antibiotic resistant, not humans. When exposed to antibiotics, bacteria can develop antibiotic resistance. This makes infections more difficult to treat. It also increases the risk of spreading the infection, becoming severely ill, or even dying. Even healthy people, or those who rarely take antibiotics, can suffer complications if they get, for example, a skin infection or a urinary tract infection with antibiotic-resistant bacteria. Antibiotic resistance can affect any person at any stage of life.